first woman God ever made was strong enough to turn this world upside down, these women ought to be able to turn it back and get it right side up again. That man over there says that a woman needs to be helped into carriages and lifted over ditches and have the best places to live everywhere. Nobody's ever helped me into a carriage over mud puddles or given me the best place to live. And ain't I a woman? Look at my arms. I plowed, I planted. I've gathered into barns. I could work as much and eat as much when I could get it. Bear the lashes well.